Hi students, now let us discuss Euclid division algorithm, which is useful to find out HCF of the given two numbers, that is pair of numbers. So first of all, let us discuss what is Euclid division algorithm. So in lower classes already we familiar with this, so once again recall that one. For example, I am taking a small division and dividing 3 and 15, so it goes by 5 times, we will get 0 as a remainder. And let us take one more 17, again with the 3 5s are 15, we will get remainder 2. So and again I am taking the same thing, otherwise take 14 here, 3 4s are 12, remainder 2. So in all this we can write here 15 is taken as dividend and 3 is taken as divisor and 5 quotient and 0 remainder. So as we all know, the division equation, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means here let us take in place of dividend A, in place of divisor B, in place of quotient Q and remainder R. That means if there exist any two integers just like A and B, if we divide B and A, then there exists Q and R in such a way that A is equal to BQ plus R, and here one relation is exist. So what's the relation here? 0 less than or equal to R less than B. That means that R value is always less than the divisor B and more than 0 or equal to R. Just observe these three divisions for understanding this relation. So this R is a 0 in the first case, okay, and it is less than 3. And next here 2 is more than 0 and it is always less than 3, that is divisor. That means the remainder is always the what? The divisor, as we all know. So in this case also we get the same thing. So by using this equation we can easily get the our HCF by using A is equal to BQ plus R, that is Euclid division algorithm. Okay, now let us see one by one. Okay, now first take very first sum, 900 and 270, divide 217 and 271s are 270, 272 is 540, 273 is I think it is going by 3 times. Yes, 810. So you can write it as 810. So by subtraction we get simply 90 here. So here let us take A is equal to 900, this one is A, divisor is B, and this quotient, okay, Q, remainder R. So here A is 900 and B is 270, quotient 3, remainder 90. So what is our rule? A is equal to B into Q plus R. Okay, this is the algorithm. So now here 900 is equal to, we can write 270 into 3 plus 90, and again take the 90 and 270. So divide 90 and 270. So 93 is 270, will get 0 remainder. So in this case again here A is 270, B is 90 and quotient is 3 and remainder is 0. So by following the same rule we can write it as 270 is equal to 90 into 3 plus 0. So at where you get the 0 as remainder, at that position we can take that B as a HCF. So HCF is equal to here 90. Okay, so let us take one more here for better understanding. So here we have 196 and 38,220. One is very small number, that is 3-digit number, another is 5-digit number. Okay, so in this case, how can we do this? Okay, now here again do the normal division. So 196. Okay, now 196, take this 382 at a time. 196 2s are, this goes more, so 196 1s are only. 196 1s are, we get 196. So by taking borrowing, we get 12. 12 minus 6 6, and we get 7. 17 minus 9 8, and there 2. 2 minus 1 1. So down 2 at here, we'll get simply 1862. Now it is nearby 9 times. Why? Because 196 tens are 1960. So 196 nines are, let us try. 54, 9 nines are 81 plus 5, 86, 9 ones are 9 plus it's 17. So here it is better to take 9 times. So again by subtracting, we'll get 12. 12 minus 4 8. Why, that is 15. 15 minus 6 9. 7 minus 1 0. Now again down that 0. Okay, now here we get 196. At last we got 0, no? So by taking 5 times, 5 6 are 30, no? Like that. So 5 6 are 30, 9 5 are 45 plus 3 48, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. That's it. So by simply in one step only, this whole division is completed. That means here actually in this division we have the 3 steps, but whereas by completion of the whole division we get remainder 0. That is, by one equation we will get the what, HCF, only by the one equation. Before we have the 2 equations in this sum, but we have here we have only by one equation. Why? Because we got already 0 remainder. So here let us take 38,220 as A, and 196B, 195Q, and 0 as remainder R. So now here again applying the same rule, A is equal to BQ plus R, that is 38,220 is equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. So at where you get the 0 as remainder, at that stage the B value becomes HCF. Okay, and the last one, 867 and 255. Okay, so children, do these sums along with me, okay, for better understanding. Otherwise just pause the video and note down the sums. First you listen. Again here 867 is greater than the 255. So by using this simple division, we will go through this. So again observe here 255. Let us take 3 times first of all. 15s. 15 plus 1 16. 765. It is better. Why? Because 255 fours are more. So 3 times we get 765 201 102. So now here A is 867, B is 255, Q 3, and 102 is the remainder. So now here we can write B value is 255 and Q value is 3 and R value is 102. So we can write it as, by applying the rule again. What is the rule? A is equal to B into Q plus R, that is 867 is equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. Okay, now here again divide this 102 and 255. So chain rule. So by applying that 102 2s are, simply get 204 151. So here again 255 is A, B value 102, K value 2, and R value 51. So again applying the same rule, we can write it as 255 is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. 102 into 2 plus 51 like this. Okay, so here again the last division by taking 51 and 102, so we'll get 51 2s are 102. Okay, now here again 102 is A, 51 is B, and 2 is Q, and 0 is remainder. So now 102 is equal to, we can write 51 into 2 plus 0. So at where you get the 0 as a remainder, then at that stage the B value is HCF, that is HCF is equal to 51. Okay, that's it. Then let us discuss the next sums. That's all. Okay, thank you.